Follow along to this 10-minute vagus nerve reset routine to give a quick boost to your mental and physical well-being. You can do this entire practice seated on a chair, or you can join me by sitting on a cushion to start out. Let's begin by finding a nice straight spine, letting the shoulders release down the back, and then taking your middle fingers and placing them gently inside your ears to trace some very small circles, massaging this area. So the vagus nerve begins in the brain, and we'll be working our way down the length of the nerve today, which is why we're starting where we are now. Maintain this gentle pressure to the inside of your ears and just let the mouth softly open and close. Just a very small movement here. Relaxing through the jaw. You could hold still here, or you may even like to sway a little bit from left to right. Still maintaining that gentle pressure. And the eyes can be closed if that is comfortable for you. And then remove the fingers from the ears so that you can use them to gently stroke down the length of your neck. We're continuing along the path of the vagus nerve now. Just a really soft rubbing here, the front of the neck, the sides, and then let your hands fall to your legs. Observe your breath, inviting it to be slow and steady. Sense of peace and calm. Wonderful. Softly bring your right ear towards your right shoulder, and then place your left arm behind your back as the right hand comes to hold the top of the head. As the shoulders relax, feeling a nice stretch along the side of the neck, and if you'd like, you could turn your chin down to face that right shoulder, bringing the stretch a little bit more into the back of the neck. And we'll softly release, roll the shoulders back, letting that go. And for the second side, the left ear comes towards the left shoulder, the right arm weaves behind you, and the left hand comes to hold the head. Relax your shoulders, perhaps turning your chin towards that left shoulder if you'd like. And just noting any sensations or feelings that may be present. Return the head to center, release your arms, roll the shoulders back. Well done. Now take the fingertips of both hands and start to gently tap along your chest area. So there's no real right or wrong way to do this. You could tap some little circles. You could stay in one spot. Just stimulating specific points along the nerve. And then bring both hands one on top of the other over your heart. Open the eyes softly and take your gaze towards the left, so nothing moves, just the eyes. And if you'd like to add on, you can softly tilt the head towards the left, still keeping the eyes looking left as well. And then return yourself to center. Blink the eyes a few times. And take a big exhale. Once again, blink the eyes softly open. Bring the hands back over your heart. And take the gaze towards the right without moving anything else. Only if you'd like, let the head gently tilt towards the right, which will take your gaze down somewhere near the floor. The head is to the right and the eyes are to the right as well. And returning to center, look forwards, close the eyes, and release the hands. Keeping the eyes softly closed, trace a gentle circle, looking up, to the side, down, and to the other side. And then return the eyes in the other direction, still keeping them closed. Wonderful. And open the eyes. If you're seated on a cushion, we'll come towards hands and knees for some cat-cows. So if you're seated in a chair, just scoot yourself a few inches forwards, and you can do this seated. As you inhale, arch through the spine, take the gaze up. And as you exhale, round through the spine, chin towards the chest. So flowing at the pace of your breath a few times. Really slow, deliberate, gentle movements. And then release that movement. Sit yourself back towards your heels, or if you're in a chair, you can fold over your legs. Looking for a gentle stretch in the lower back and a sense of overall peace and calm in the mind and body. Breathing in through the nose. Breathing out through the nose or mouth. And let's gently roll ourselves back up to a tall seat on a cushion or in your chair, any way that is comfortable for you. We'll tilt the entire upper body towards the left now, bringing the right hand onto the ribs. So if you're in a chair, your left hand could hold the side of it with the feet flat. Otherwise, just rest your hand to the floor. Focus on the inhales and exhales, opening up through the right side of the rib cage. And then re-straighten, and we'll sway straight over to the other side, tilting right. Left hand on the left ribs. Inhaling to spread them apart. And exhaling to relax. Really nice. Returning to the center once more. We'll take that tapping motion again. This time over the solar plexus, so just below the sternum. You could even hold in one place if that feels nice. Again, softly open and close the mouth. Perhaps even with a soft humming motion in the back of the throat. And then take that tapping motion a little lower down towards the abdomen. Again, no right or wrong way to do this. Just observe the effects, the sensations. And then release. Take a gentle twist to look over your right shoulder. Swaying through center. Twist over the left shoulder. Back to center once more. Really let something go on your next exhale. You can join the hands in front of the heart. Beautifully done. I'd really recommend, I'm pointing to it on screen right now, this 5-minute meditation to help with mental chatter and pair really nicely with a practice like this one. Otherwise, I do hope you will subscribe and that we will see each other again soon.